And this is the reason why I've got a sharpening kit with me. A new axe. New second hand. This is a Gransfors Brooks, and it's a small forest axe head on top of a hunting axe handle. And I saw this up for sale and I thought, I got to have that. It's great. Just a little bit different. I like to be a bit different. Now the gentleman I had this off, his name's Toby, and he runs a company called Red Kite Leatherworks. He made this axe mask for it, and it's good. I'm impressed. Nice and strong, good fit. So there's a little plug for Toby. If it wasn't any good, I'd have made another one, but it's great, so I will be keeping that. There is bank line around here. I haven't decided yet if it's going to stay or go. Haven't used it yet. It is pretty sharp. It's more than enough for a working edge, but myself being very fussy, especially with knives and axes, I'm going to put a mirror edge on it, and I'm going to do it here in the woods. So what I've got here is what a lot of people call a £5 or a $5 sharpening kit. Basically, I got a piece of matting so it doesn't slip. This is the basic kit, which is, where are we? 120 grit. On the other side is a 600, and what I do, I put a rough one by a smooth one so you know the difference. I got a 240 grit and a 400 grit. And I got a 1000 grit with the strop on the other side. Unfortunately, tape hasn't stuck very well, so I'm going to have to redo that. Now I made this kit several months ago in my little shed workshop, and I did film it. So if you're interested to know how this was done, go back in time. It's on an early video. Now the next thing I've got is another set of strops, and these are micro mesh. Micro mesh is a far better grade of abrasive paper. There's a lot more grit per square centimetre. Now the thing is with micro mesh, they're graded differently. So I've got a 1500 grit, which is really more like a 240 on your regular. I won't bore you with the details, but they basically go pretty fine. That's an 8000. Now all of these are worn, so it does make them finer. So I'm going to use the other ones first, then I'm going to finish off on these with a strop. Let's go. Now I'm aiming for a slight convex grind on this. So these strops I have, they're only on a thin board. Now if I wanted a flat grind, I just need to put them on a flat surface. So the plan is today I'm going to start off like this. Where's my 120? Right. So I'm going to put these on 2 sticks, so they've got a bit of give. So that's the first stage done now on the normal strops. So I could leave it there and just give it a strop because it's pretty sharp now, but being fussy, I'm going to use the micro mesh. All with strops. I'm going to strop it now on the leather with the starky blue and it'll be done. There you go, a mirror polished convex edge, 20 minutes in the woods. Let's see how sharp it is. Oh well. Well, that's sharp enough for me. So that's what you can achieve with these. And obviously it's not going to last forever, it's not like a stone, you're going to have to replace them. But when I get home I'm going to wash them off, leave them dry in the sun, and there's plenty more sharpening left in them. So when you think about it, you carry in a stone or something, you've only got 1 or 2 grits on it. I think I've got 10 different grits there, and I can achieve that on an axe in 20 minutes. It's a really good technique.